coming into 2021 as well, we actually see a lot of interest in personal finance, especially from the younger audiences as well here in Singapore. Because I think right now what we see is that a lot of people are actually going to investments and in fact just jumping right into stock trading as a very first form of investments, which is quite alarming and also quite scary to see here in Singapore on our community. Yeah.
You're saying alarming and scary, Kenneth. So what kind of advice are you giving these first-time traders?
I think definitely to understand what you're buying and don't be FOMO, because I think there's a lot of fear of missing out, especially in 2020 when basically everything that any investors would have touched would have basically grown multifold. So it's very easy to basically in an up market, right, when everything is going up, think that you're a very good investor, when at the end of the day, you're just riding a trend. And I think once we start to see corrections, as we have seen in the earlier part of 2021, that's when some of the investors are starting to be a bit frazzled. So we actually see a lot of those comments in our community where investors bought in at an all-time high. And then recently, there were some minor corrections, especially in the tech stocks and tech sectors. So yeah, that's what we see.
And Kenneth, how are you preparing for regulation, if not now, down the road, as the numbers build in terms of you expanding volumes, looking at more trading on your platform, and of course, see more retail investors join your offering? What is the expectation on that front? How would you ring fence against regulation?
Yeah, I think as an online community, we are always wary and also always cautious to moderate some of the discussions that happen there. So when it comes to blatant, like just drumming up of certain stocks and certain ideas, we tend to be very cautious as to what people are talking about. And we basically want to ensure that the ideas are backed by fundamentals and also basically sound reasoning beyond just hyping up for the sake of it.